In this video, I will teach you how to invest in cryptocurrencies, and we will be going over a new project with huge potential called Dash to Trade and how you can actually participate in their pre-sale. A quick disclaimer, I am
not a financial advisor.
Alright, now let's get right into it. And before we start, I do want to say that all the links you will need for Dash to Trade and their pre-sale of the D2T token will be down in the description. Alright, so first let's talk a little bit about what Dash to Trade is, because essentially it's a crypto analytics platform built by traders for traders, but it has a lot of features we have to go over. Amazing features in my opinion, but we will go over that. We will also talk a little bit more about the roadmap and how you can actually win $150,000 in D2T tokens on Dash to Trade right now. We'll talk about all of that, and then lastly we'll also talk about how you can participate in the pre-sale, which is already in stage 3 right now, and almost 92% is already sold. So if you think this project is interesting, you have to be quick. Alright, so first let's talk a little bit about Dash to Trade. As you can see here, what Dash to Trade essentially is, as I said, it's a crypto analytics platform built by traders for traders specifically. And it provides trading signals, social analytics and on-chain data to maximize your profits. And right now they already have over 17,000 traders, and there are some great mechanics with the D2T token and the platform which actually increases the value of the token itself significantly. So let's talk a little bit more about the platform. Alright, so let's actually go over some of the features that will be in this platform. As you can see, the most advanced crypto signals and analytics dashboards. Some of the things that you will actually have in the dashboard are social sentiment, on-chain metrics and crypto signals powered by technical indicators and quant developers. So that is one of the things that actually adds a lot of value. Apart from that, you also have a crypto pre-sale section within the platform with their own kind of score and rating to actually rate all of those pre-sales and ICOs and everything you need to know. As we talked about earlier as well, you also will see some social analytics to see what tokens are trending and basically what's going on, with some very nice examples here on the right and on the left. So if you want to check that all out, as I said earlier, all the links will be down in the description. What they will also have is training bots and strategy builders. So you will actually avoid missing out on profitable trading opportunities. You can build and execute your own profitable trading strategies on autopilot, and D2T users will be able to copy the most profitable traders on the platform as well, and using all types of bots. So a lot of functionalities all on one platform. And one thing that might come back a little bit later as well, but I think is very interesting, is that if you want access to the platform, what you need to do is you actually need to own a specific number of D2T tokens. Alright, so what that does is that significantly increases the value and the utility of D2T as a token. So I think that is amazing, and apart from that, great features as well. So here you can see a quick oversight of what kind of things they have. Again, kind of summarized in a nice way. On their website, you can also compare them with other dashboards and other kind of, well, crypto resources, let's call it like that. And there you can also see all of the features very nicely put together under each other. So social sentiment analysis, trading signals, backtesting, social trading, trading stops and limits, copy trading, listing alerts, pre-sale and ICOs and their own scoring, as we talked about, on-chain analysis, an academy, auto trading, API support, a risk profiler, and way more. Amazing things, so definitely a thing to check out and to research, in my opinion. Now, if you look at their roadmap, you can see that they really are in the start of the project. Right now, they are busy with the website launch and the pre-sale, which obviously takes a lot of time and effort. But in 2023, what they will actually focus on is the backtester, which is obviously an amazing feature with a lot of value, where you can actually backtest certain strategies and just trading in general. And then in 2024, they will also have an auto trader. So definitely great things coming in the future. And they have already thought of the future, which is, in my opinion, always a great thing, because you have to trust me when I say that there are enough projects that haven't done that yet. So here you can quickly check out the D2T token distribution and tokenomics. I think it's pretty great. A lot going to the public sale, not a lot going to the private sale, and some to a talent acquisition as well. Altogether, I think the distribution is great. Now, if you then scroll up, you can also see that the team is 100% verified, and the code of the contract is also 100% verified by a good team of Solid Proof. And you can read the white paper, which I'm not going to do too much in this video, and I'm not going to read all of it, but I would suggest you to read the white paper, because here you can actually see the dashboard again. You can quickly see all of the features on the dashboard, but you can also read some more about the roadmap, some more things that they want to tell you about that, the token ecosystem and subscription benefits, and again, just a clear overview of what the Dash2Trade platform is. Alright, so now let's talk a little bit more about the pre-sale, which obviously I still wanted to talk about as well. If you want to participate in the pre-sale, the first thing you have to do is go to their website. And again, all the links will be down in the description. Now, if you get to their website, the first thing you will see is right here, the pre-sale stage 3. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to try to zoom in a little bit for you so that you can see that without my face being in front of it. So what you want to do is that usually what is here before you connected your wallet is connect your wallet. So that's the first thing you have to do, is you have to connect your wallet. And once that's connected, you have 3 ways in which you can actually participate in the stage 3 of the D2T token pre-sale. You can buy with Ethereum from your MetaMask or your Trust wallet as well on telephone. You can buy with USDT. So in both cases, you would have to have that in your wallet, and you can actually say how much D2T tokens you want, and then it will show the price in Ethereum. Or you can actually buy Ethereum with card and convert that in D2T tokens. So in that way, there are 3 ways in which you can actually participate in that pre-sale, all very easy to do. And that's how you can actually buy D2T tokens right now. And as we talked about earlier, right now they also have an action, Dash2Trade, to win 150,000 worth of the Dash2Trade token. And all you have to do is you have to hold $150 of D2T at the time of the draw, and you can gain multiple entries by completing certain steps, like entering your crypto wallet address, following them on Twitter, retweeting them on Twitter, and multiple more things. Again, it's on their website here at the top menu as well, and all the links will be down in the description. So with that, we have reached the end of this video. We went over the platform, what it actually is and what you can expect from it, but we also talked about the pre-sale and how you can participate in that. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed, and subscribe to our channel.